Sasa?
No.
Oh, you stay here.
No.
Come on, let's unbox. Sadya, this is my gift for you. Come here. Dali na dayon. Sit down here.
Okay. Okay.
This is Mama's birthday gift for baby Sasa. Wow. Shall we open?
What's this thing? What's this, Adia? This is a magic word. Yes. Mama will open.
Look, it's a magic board. Since you
Like writing, this is Mama's gift for you. Anyway. Yeah. Let's go help Mama. Wow. This is the inclusions. So here, you can write here. You want this? A big one. Color. Wow. What is one? An erase. Look, this is eraser. See? Look, oh. You can draw Mr. Sun.
And another circle. Erase na, erase.
erase, erase.
You erase na.
Erase.
Slant line, slant line.
Wow.
Wow, vertical line.
Erase.
Erase.
You erase. Mm.
Wow.
Wow.
Can you draw a horizontal line, Sadya?
Yeah.
Oh. Ano one?
Di yan, kuwan ba?
It's okay.
Di ano na yung plaster.
Erase.
You write horizontal.
Hmm.
Wow.
Erase ay erase kayo.
You erase na.
Horizontal pa guys siya.
No.
Wow.
Horizontal na mo.
Where's my purple?
That is your ball pen.
That's the rose.
Wow. Like Mama's gift? Oh, you listen first. You like Mama's gift?
Yes.
Oh, wow. What will you say to Mama?
Thank you.
Oh, after saying thank you, what else? Uy, kiss. Again? What will you say to Mama?
Thank you.
Where's my hug? You like it so much? Saro mapuno pataan ni og ballpen ato mga lingkuranan.